welcome. Today guys, I want to make for you all a fried pork recipe. A lot of you have been requesting this recipe and I'm especially making it for a little girl named Tisai. So Tisai, this one is for you. So to make this, I have here pork pieces and I'm using bone-in pork pieces because it actually keeps the meat more moist when you fry it, because if you were to use the pork without a bone, it tends to dry out really quickly. But it's your choice, whichever one you want. I have some lemon pepper, and this lemon pepper is a pepper that I make this. The recipe is on my channel, so I'll leave a link for that for you guys. Here I have some chicken bullion powder, and I like using this because it actually helps enhance the flavor of the pork better. Here I have some paprika, salt to taste, green seasoning, fresh garlic, and lemon pepper, which is going to help cut the freshness of the pork, and also some black pepper. So let's season up this pork. So to the pork, I'm going to add in all of the ingredients I just called out. The salt, the green seasoning, the garlic, paprika. If you guys wanted to put some Cajun seasoning into this, you can. The chicken bouillon powder, the lemon pepper, some black pepper, and what actually helps make this pork taste really delicious is my lemon pepper or lime pepper. This is so tasty and so delicious. It makes any fried food taste like bar food or cutters. So I'm gonna add this in. It really gives it that Trini flair and that Trini flavor. So you want to mix all of your ingredients into the pork. Once all those seasonings have been mixed in, you're going to cover this and refrigerate it overnight or for minimum 1 hour. You want to allow this to macerate as long as possible. In that way, you'll get the most flavor out of your fried pork. So I'm going to put this in the fridge, and once it's finished marinating, then we'll move on to frying this. So guys, now to make the dry coating, and I'm using a dry coating. I don't want to use a wet batter for this. To make this, I have here flour, lemon pepper, paprika, some more of that chicken bouillon cube, and black pepper. So I'm gonna add the black pepper and the other ingredients. And I want to tell you guys, if you wanted to use fish or any type of seafood for this recipe also, you can. Just mix in these ingredients, and I'm not adding any salt to this because that bouillon and that lemon pepper has salt. So once mixed in, just set this aside while we wait on the pork to finish marinate. So now that the pork has finished marinating, we're going to move on to frying it. And I have my oil on medium heat, and I'm going to show you guys how I dredge the pork. So what I take some of the pork pieces and I put it into the flour mixture that we made. And using my spider, I'm just going to coat the pieces in the flour. In this way, your hands, your fingertips are not going to get dirty, and you're not going to have all of that clumpy flour on your hand. Next, you're going to pick up the pork pieces and you're going to shake off that extra flour. It's going to fall through the spider. And then you put it into the hot oil. You want to fry these on medium to medium-low heat until they're golden brown, and you want to make sure that they're cooked all the way through. These will take about 10 to 12 minutes because the pieces are quite small. Okay, so this first set of pork is finished. I'm just going to drain it on some paper towels. And I'm going to continue frying up the rest of pork until I've fried out all of it. So guys, the pork smells and tastes absolutely amazing. I can't wait for you all to try this recipe. It's really delicious. So I'm just gonna make a simple sauce that goes with the pork. I guess the baby is very excited. I'm just gonna make a simple sauce that goes with the pork. It's like a sauce you would get at any bar that you would buy fried food in Trinidad. So here I have ketchup. I'm using some seasoned soy sauce. So I'm gonna add that to the ketchup, and I'm going in with some pepper sauce. You can use any of your favorite pepper sauce brand for this. I'm using Bertie's, and all you do is give this a mix. And if you wanted to put some green seasoning in the sauce, you can. I just don't want any green seasoning in this sauce. So once mixed in, the sauce is ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe for fried pork together with this sauce. If you did, the baby is excited to try it. So if you guys enjoyed today's recipe, please remember to give the video a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all another day with another one of my recipes. Enjoy!